Hey guys, it's me, Sean Galaxy. I'm just watching some cartoons on my TV, and I want to introduce you my new cat. Her name, it's a she, and her name is Luna. Okay, so she is, her name is Luna, and she's really cute. And this is her food. It kind of smells gross right now when I'm like breathing because her food smells really bad. So yeah, that's basically it. And I'll be right back. I'm not showing my dad's face because he doesn't want to be on YouTube. He's just playing soccer. Wait guys, you can skip the video right here while I try to... Actually, don't do it. So, that's his litter box over there. We couldn't find one at a pet shop, so my mom had a good idea. She got a little box and put the litter stuff in it. And if you're thinking what that brown thing is, that is her poop. No comment. Just no comment. Okay, I'll be right back. You can skip the video if you want it. Okay, I'm sorry if I couldn't find his toy, but at least she likes doing a lot of exploring in the house. So last time she was right here and she climbed all of this, but at least my sister saved her by jumping. And last time she bonked her head right here. Gosh, I kind of feel bad. That music's kind of annoying. No offense to the people who made Phineas and Ferb. If you don't know, it's pretty complicated to tell. So, you may thinking this might be yolk milk. It's actually goat milk. This is her water, and that's her water. So that's all. And I'm just gonna videotape my cat. Hey Luna, Luna, wake up. Okay. She's right here. Oh, she meowed. Oh, did you hear that, guys? Okay, I'm gonna get her back in her bed. It's okay, Luna. Okay, so that's the end of my video. Like, subscribe. If you want to comment down if you want me to play with the cat or watch her do parkour, put it in the comments. Peace, guys. Subscribe.